Pi Network is one of the most unusual projects in cryptocurrency history, a token with over 40 million pioneers who mined it on their smartphones for years before it ever traded on an exchange. As of May 15, 2026, Pi trades at approximately 0.17, with a market cap near $1.78 billion and a ranking around 4250 on CoinMarketCap. The token launched on exchanges on February 20, 2025, hit an all-time high of $3 just 6 days later, then collapsed 94% back towards 0.149 before the current consolidation in the $17.19 range. Understanding why and whether recovery is realistic starts with the supply mathematics that most bullish Pi forecasts ignore. Pi Network is a mobile-first blockchain project founded on March 14, 2019 by Dr. Nicholas Kakali's, Stanford Ph.D. in Computer Science, Distributed Systems, and Dr. Chengdao Fan, Stanford Ph.D. in Anthropological Sciences. Both founders come from Stanford's Human-Computer Interaction Group, which explains Pi's distinctly social design. The central innovation was making cryptocurrency mining accessible without specialized hardware. Rather than proof-of-work computation, Pi uses a trust-based consensus mechanism inspired by the Stellar Consensus Protocol. Users form security circles vouching for each other's identities, and these overlapping. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Circles create a trust graph that secures the network. Mining is as simple as tapping a button in the Pi app once every 24 hours. The network grew through a referral model. Each new user could invite others, and both the referrer and referee earned boosted mining rates. This mechanism produced explosive community growth, but also invited criticism about whether the structure resembles a pyramid scheme, a debate that remains active in the crypto community. The token's price history is a roller coaster. After launching on exchanges in early 2025, Pi Network surged to $3 in just 6 days, then collapsed to as low as 0.049. That volatility has raised questions about whether Pi Network can stabilize and potentially reach $1 again. The current price range of $17.19 is a consolidation phase, and whether it breaks out depends on several factors, including on-chain activity, exchange volume, and macroeconomic conditions in the broader crypto market. The token's supply dynamics are also critical. Pi Network has a unique supply model with a large number of early adopters who still hold significant portions of the token. If these holders decide to sell, or if new institutional interest emerges, it could impact the price trajectory. Another key factor is the token's utility and adoption. Pi Network has been working on decentralized applications and partnerships, but as of now, it lacks clear, widespread use cases that would justify a $1 price tag. The broader market sentiment also plays a role. If Bitcoin or Ethereum experiences a bullish run, it could lift smaller altcoins like Pi Network along with it. Conversely, if the market turns bearish, Pi could see further downward pressure. The next signal to watch is whether Pi Network can sustain above 19 cents for a sustained period, which could indicate a breakout. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Phase: if it fails to hold that level, it may return to the $15.17 range. Investors should also monitor on-chain metrics such as active addresses and transaction volume to gauge real usage and interest in the token. In summary, Pi Network's price has been highly volatile since its exchange launch. While it briefly reached $3, it has since fallen back to 17 cents. Whether it can reach $1 again depends on a combination of market conditions, on-chain activity, and broader crypto trends. The next key signal is whether Pi can hold above 19 cents and show signs of a sustained upward move.